Welcome back to Overheat. Mitsubishi Triton Campervan for 2026, a robust and useful exterior, with a design twist better suited to adventurers' demands. The 2026 Mitsubishi Triton Campervan maintains the Triton's heritage as a rugged and dependable pickup truck. Sharper LED headlights incorporated into a more forceful grille are an expected progression of Mitsubishi's dynamic shield design for the front fascia. Body shape: the Triton double cab, which can accommodate a driver and a passenger, is the base model. A campervan module that blends in perfectly with the body will take the place of the back of the bed. Materials and construction: to reduce the vehicle's weight without compromising durability, the campervan module will probably be constructed from lightweight yet sturdy composite materials like fiberglass or aluminum. A cozy and useful interior: the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton Campervan's interior will be made to make the most of its restricted space while offering the conveniences of a mobile home. Layout: a sleeping area, kitchenette, and seating area are probably all part of the well-designed interior layout. Sleeping section: the primary bed will probably be in the pop-up roof section or at the back of the campervan module. Sitting: the dining space, a sofa or bench that doubles as an extra bed will be part of the seating space. Interior storage: to keep clothing, personal belongings, and other objects organized. A variety of cabinets, shelves, and drawers will be built. Technology and performance: engine: Mitsubishi's turbocharged diesel engine, renowned for its dependability and powerful torque, is probably going to be used. Options for engine capacity can change based on the market. Transmission: there will probably be options for both manual and automated transmissions. Drivetrain: given the adventure market, a 4x4 drivetrain with features such several drive modes such as gravel, mud to snow, sand, and rock will either be standard or optional.